Wishtrenders! Did you guys all watch last video? Oh my god. Okay, I watched this one because I wanted to do some like Instagram. So last video, I answered most of the questions, but I was about to sleep today, but I couldn't sleep at all because all the questions you told me I wanted to answer, and I appreciated so much about the questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So today I wanted to show the ingredients and also related products that I want to show about the question. So please stay tuned, guys, okay? I may have picked so much products. Is that alright? So the first question was, it will be really challenging for your skin because it can irritate your skin a lot, I guess. So, oh my god, thank you so much for the question. First, I want to recommend bubble type cleanser. For the bubble type, ooh, it is bubble. So it doesn't irritate your skin that much. It can have like, I'll show you, like, you can clean your skin with like really softly. And for the next ingredient, it is good ingredient. I like this. It is guaiacolin or cica. So I think you guys already know this. I recommended this product a lot because I use this. It is Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. It can relieve your skin. So if you have skin that is really sensitive, or I heard that you are welding, so you can have a lot of irritating things around. So I want you to soothe your skin first, okay? Yeah, I know this because always I have acne over this forehead, and every time someone watch me, I felt like he or she is watching my forehead only, not my eyes or my face. So, okay. Before I talk about the acne, I already posted acne contents before, and it is all about acne, so I want you guys to watch it first because it will be really helpful. For the spot care, it can be good for using the clean gel. So you can put the gel on the Q-tip like this, a little bit. If your acne is here, you can put it on like really softly. For the hyperpigmentation, I think you guys have a lot of worries about hyperpigmentation, because I know it too. So really, it is great to use vitamin C or E. So this is Dear Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. So it is made of pure vitamin C. So this way, and on your face, and put it like this. Okay. Dear Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask, and ooh, it is a lot more like pudding. Okay, so vitamin E mask. Okay, it is really crucial that if you're using vitamin C, it can be really irritating. I know that. So this is vitamin C derivative products. It is called Dear Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamins Charging Serum. You can use it, this serum. So if you think that your skin is too sensitive, I think you can use it, this one, before that. Oh, I know this so much because I do it too. So for the first thing, I want you guys to exfoliate 1 or 2 times a week first. So with that one, I recommend chemical exfoliation because physical exfoliation can be a little bit more irritating and make your skin sensitive. So I want to recommend about AHA or BHA exfoliation. And this one is mandelic acid 5% skin prep water. So mandelic is the AHA. You can, after you wash your face, you can put like this way. Don't push it so harsh. But I think it's okay because it is really soft, not that harsh. For the pore management, I wanted to recommend niacinamide and retinol. But you guys will know this is WishtrendTV by Wishtrend products. So it is by Wishtrend Pore Smoothing Bakuchiyo Serum. Like this, just serum. And also all the products that I showed was from Bakuchiyo. Night cream, sunstick, body lotion. Okay, next. I don't know. Okay, I think it is not a regular acne, so first I want you to recommend to go to dermatology first because it can be like dermatitis or cysts. But for the skincare, I will recommend you more, alright? I want you to use anti-inflammatory ingredients. This one is by Wishtrend Blue Oasis Aloe Hydrating Serum. So it is made of aloe vera. Ooh, it is blue. Yay! And oh, it feels really hydrated. Like this way. By Wishtrend Propolis Energy Calming Ampoule. Propolis. Oh, it is a little bit more stickier than before. Like this way. And I heard if you use propolis before makeup, it can make your skin more glowy. Ooh. Ooh. Can you guys do glow? Dewy. Glowy. This one, I think you guys would already know, but it is Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop, and it is made of guaiaculain. So it's blue, 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 like this. I usually use this one with my mom, and she said it is really good. I know that. Okay, thank you. Okay. Whenever I use cleansing oil, I felt like, okay, I'm doing much more for my skin, but it became more like oily and I didn't know why. But I heard if you do the washing, you have to do it softly, but really, really much for the cleansing oil because it is oil. So it can make your skin more oily. So instead of using cleansing oil, I want you guys to use like gel type or milk type cleanser like these. It smells so good. Oh, I didn't show you the name. It is I'm from Mugwort Gel Cleanser, so it is made of mugwort. Ah, I like this, and I can feel my kindergarten vibe that I ate mugwort a lot. Oh, so good. So it is gel type cleanser like this. This is by Wishtrend Green Tea and Enzyme Milky Foaming Wash. So like this. It's really milky, like this way. And you can use tools like this to make the foam. And then with the foams, you can put it on the face really softly. For the last but not least recommendation, I want to boast because my keyring. Oh, it's so cute, right? I don't know. So this is Dear Claire's All Day Airy Mineral Sunscreen. So it is physical sunscreen, but it doesn't irritate your skin that much. So I know you guys are all into white cast, so I want to show. Okay. I think it doesn't have that white cast. It feels like my skin type fits a lot. For the next one, this is I'm from Rice sunscreen. So I already told you about the rice products, and I had a lot of experience about rice extracts, and and I feel it is great, much better if you are thinking of irritating skin. Okay, so I answered some of your questions, and I want you guys feel helpful and satisfied, please. And if you guys have more questions, feel free to ask. You can ask on comments or Instagram or YouTube, anywhere, all right? And have a good sleep. Good night.